Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a German pancake. The German pancake has many different names. They're also known as a Dutch baby, and it's not actually German at all. It's an American popover, and it's a great breakfast food. It's really simple to make. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 6 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to start by taking our butter, placing it in our pan. We're going to place this in the oven for a few minutes until that butter is melted. And while that's melting, we're going to work on the batter. Now we're going to take the rest of our ingredients, our milk, our eggs, our vanilla, our flour, and a pinch of salt. We're going to add this into our blender and we're going to mix it up till it's nice and smooth. And that right there is the consistency that we're looking for. It's nice and thin, and all the flour has been dissolved into the liquids. The butter is nice and melted. Now we're going to take our batter and we're just going to dump it right inside our pan. We're going to give our blender a little scrape as well. We don't want to waste any of it. Then we're going to place it in our 425 degree oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is our German pancake. Now, I like to top mine with some powdered sugar. You can put on any fruit, maple syrup, anything that you like on top of this thing. I'm gonna finish this up and we're gonna get a taste. Alright, let's get a bite. Now you can top this with fruit, maple syrup. I'm just going powdered sugar, just to really get the taste. It's rich from the eggs. It almost has the taste of a custard. It's light and fluffy like a pancake. It's really, really, really good. This is gonna be great to serve for big breakfast. If you like breakfast at dinner, which we do, that's why I'm making that. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I'll drop a link in the description for my outdoor channel. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you in the next one.